Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do dual SIM settings in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then here select network and internet. And here select SIM card and mobile network. Here you are seeing two SIM cards and you can set dual SIM here. Okay, dual SIM for dual SIM settings you should have first inserted two SIM cards. Okay, click on SIM 1 and here you can customize many things like you can enable SIM card or disable SIM card. Suppose if you want to disable this SIM card, and yes, just to turn off this button so that only SIM 2 will be active in your phone, but at any time you can turn on the SIM card. Okay, so you can enable SIM card again. Okay, click on SIM name. Here you can change SIM name. By default it is written as SIM 1. Okay, you can assign any text as per your wish. Here I just write Gerolina. So SIM 1 name has been changed to Gerolina, and click on color next. Here you can assign any color to a SIM. Okay, as of now it is set to blue. If you would like to use purple, click on purple. Okay, click on OK. Then yes, color will be changed. Okay, in a similar way, click on number. Here this is the number that is fetched from your SIM card. Okay, if you would like to change it to any number, yes, you can do it, but actual number will not be changing. But yes, you can just delete name and you can type any name here. Okay, then roaming, you can turn on roaming if you would like to use it, or if you would like to not use roaming, just turn off it. Okay, then data usage, here you can see the data usage and you can do data usage settings here. Set data warning is turned on. Data warning is 2 GB. So if your SIM card attains 2 GB, then it will show you warning. Okay, here you can also change this data usage settings. So I just change it from 2 to 6 GB. Okay, you can set the limit for data usage here. Okay, then data limit, set data limit. Okay, this is data warning up to 6 GB. It will not tell you warning. Okay, if it crosses 6 GB, it will warn you. Okay, then limiting data usage, your phone will turn off mobile data once it reaches the limit you set. Okay, so here you can set the data limit. Okay, so by default it is set to now 7.2 GB. You can also increase it to anything, and I have increased it to 70 GB. So if you set data limit after reaching 70 GB, automatically mobile data will be turned off. Okay, and go back. Then here preferred network type. Here you can choose the network type, whether 4G or 5G. Okay, if you would like to keep in 4G only, then select second one. Okay, and then automatically select network. Always it is better to use automatically select network. Otherwise, every time if network is cut, you have to change network manually. Okay, click on access point names. Here access point name is given Geo 4G. You can also add your own APNs, but it is not recommended. And Wi-Fi calling is available, just it is turned on already. Carrier video calling is also turned on. If you would like to don't use video calling, then turn off. Okay, so these are all the SIM card 1 settings. Okay, in a similar way you can set it for SIM 2 as well. So here also the same thing, like enable SIM card, then SIM name. Here just I change SIM name to Thailand and click on OK. Then click on color, change color. I here change color to pink. Click on OK. Then number, then roaming, data usage, preferred network type, all are the same like what you have already set for SIM 1. Okay, so similar thing can be customized here too for SIM 2. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize SIM card 1 and SIM card 2. Then also here preferred SIM card you can assign, that is for mobile data, which SIM card to be used, Thailand or Gerolina. Here SIM 1 is Gerolina, SIM 2 is Thailand. So SIM 2 is selected. Here you can see the changes of the color. See here, first SIM card icon is in purple color and second SIM card icon is in pink color. Okay, then calls. Here for calls, if you would like to set ask always, keep it in the first option. Otherwise you can also set a preferred call. Okay, that is a preferred SIM card for the call. Okay, so if you would like to make always call from the SIM 1, frequent SIM card can be set here. Gerolina is the frequent SIM card for me to call to other numbers and receive calls from those other numbers. So I set Gerolina to the calls. Okay, then SMS also, here you can just set whether SIM 1 or SIM 2. Here for SMS I always prefer SIM 2, that is Thailand, so I have selected it. So in this way also here we can do some dual SIM settings like mobile data, calls and SMS. Okay, then internet access during calls. Okay, this is a very important one here. Mobile data is used to from SIM 2. Okay, SIM 2, that is Thailand. But here if mobile data is used from SIM 2 Thailand, internet access during calls, if mobile data, that is mobile data is used from SIM 2. Okay, internet access during calls means allow SIM 1, that is Gerolina, to be used for mobile data during calls. Suppose if you make a call from SIM 2, then SIM 1 can be used for mobile data. Okay, that is called these settings. Okay, internet access during calls. Just to turn on it so that both SIM cards will be used for mobile data. If one SIM card is in use, that is in incoming call or outgoing call. Okay, I have turned off as of now. Then 5G usage help. Here you can get some of the help that is frequently used, frequently asked questions. So here you can read those questions and answers for usage of 5G. Okay, here you can just to turn off or turn on mobile data. Okay, so these are all the dual SIM settings in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Okay, you can set as per your wish. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.